Changing your profile picture on Chime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once in the app, locate the profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter your profile settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In your profile settings, look for an option that says Edit Profile or similar. Tap on this option to proceed to the section where you can change your profile picture. Step 4. Choose a new picture. You will see an option to upload a new profile picture. Tap on it, and you can either take a new photo using your camera or select an existing image from your gallery. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and tap it to update your profile picture successfully. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Chime. Enjoy your updated look.